Guys, so this is the tutorial for today and it is a collab. As you can see down below, it's a collab with Lyric Rochester, Jamaican makeup artist, as you all may know on YouTube. And I'm happy, I'm glad bag boss. It is an honor to do a collab with Lyric because on the know she up there, she turn up, makeup on point, ear on point. Girl, you bad. You bad. I'm very happy to be doing this collab with you. And guys, this is a collab and it is a editorial inspired by traditional cultural makeup, and my inspiration came from Geisha, the Chinese Geisha, and it is a traditional look where ladies paint themselves in white, their face is white, and the accent is red, and then they adorn themselves in their traditional kimono. So yeah, that is my look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and once again I have to say big up thanks to Lyric for doing this with me, little old me. Nobody knows me, so if I'm gonna know me, I must know Lyric. So go over to her page and find out what she is doing, because you know it's a got bad. It a feel bad a Lyric. Yeah. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little different. It's a bit on the creative side. I really enjoyed it, so I hope you guys enjoyed it too. You can do this as a Halloween look if you want. Oh, can we go out one day when you just want to scare people? I don't know. Hi guys.
Okay guys, so as per usual, there's noise in my background, so I'm going to do a voiceover. And this video is a bit sped up because it's a long video. And anyways, so here I'm filling in my brows and I'm using a red liner just to give it that edge. And as I said, I'm doing an editorial look and I'm keeping the brows in a diagonal shape. Generally, geisha looks, or the geisha looks, the eyebrows are straight, but they're not as thick as these brows are. Here I am outlining the shape, or I was trying to get an idea of the shape of the white section that I wanted, so I know how to clean the brows up. So as you can see here, I'm using concealer, my shade, to clean the brows up and give them the shape that I want. As I said, I'm giving them a diagonal shape, so they're going a bit on a angle, and I'm going to keep them thick and not as thick as the geisha look would normally have. Okay, so I'm going to continue lining the brows or clean up the brows with the concealer. Yeah, and I'm going to now brush them out a little bit with the spoolie so that they have a little bit of a more natural look, even though, yeah, as we can see, they're red, so it's not quite natural. So yeah, I'm giving the eyebrows a bit of depth by using a darker red. Yeah, and cleaning up the edge a little bit more with that red. And you don't see this, but I use that damp sponge to clean up or to diffuse the concealer. So here once again I'm using this white pencil to outline the shape of the white section that I'm going to use. I didn't do the whole face white because I didn't have enough product to do all of that, and I wanted it to be a bit more edgy. So I did this kind of squared look over the eyes, like a mask like, and kind of let the, as you will see later on in the video, the edges were faded. I didn't say earlier, but the white that I'm using is the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I'm taking this flat brush and spreading it all over my eyes. I'm going to do this on both my eyes and give it that white look that I want, and kind of keep it in the shape that I outlined it earlier with the pencil. So what I'm doing now, I'm about to do now, is use a concealer to clean up those lines, so I have some crisp lines to make it stand out, the white stand out. So occasionally through this process I have to reapply the white, because you know it overlap with some of the concealer or something like that, so you have to reapply the white every now and then just to keep the look intact. Okay, so this is a little bit of my jam shot session while putting on the makeup. Yeah, I was listening to music and enjoying the moment. Anyways guys, back to the makeup. I'm going to continue applying the white to my face and ensuring that it's seamless for the next step. And before that next step, we're going to apply I'm going to apply my foundation, and I'm just going to speed through this because you guys know by now how I apply my foundation. Okay guys, so now I'm going to apply that jumbo pencil on the lower lash line again, so not again, but I'm going to apply it there. And yeah, so it's connected to the top area, and then I'm going to take a little bit of that jumbo pencil using my finger and just tapping it in certain areas where the brush may have left a little bit of strokes, and yeah, so we have it smooth and stuff. Yeah guys, so I'm going to continue, and I'm going to apply the white eyeshadow to the section that we applied that jumbo pencil, just to make it a little bit brighter and to set the jumbo pencil as well. So we're going to carry that all the way down, and to the edges we're going to fade it. So at this point I'm going to create a cut crease, but a more diagonal cut crease, if I may say. I'm using a angled brush and red eyeshadow. I'm going to make it appear as if it's going to touch the brows, but we're going to still keep it within that white section there on the eyes. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So now I'm going to take a bit of a fluffier detail brush to kind of diffuse that color a bit and kind of blend it out a tad bit, not too much, but blend it out and keep it in that same diagonal line that we created. Or I created. Yeah guys, so I'm going to apply some liner, gel liner to the top lash line, and then some pencil liner to the lower lash line, just so the eyes can stand out, because you know the white is a bit too white for my complexion, so I want my eyes to stand out still. And then I'm going to apply the white eyeshadow to that lower lash line. So I've not yet gotten the hang of this voiceover, but anyways guys, I'm applying the red eyeshadow to the corner of my lower lash line just to give it that shape, and then I'm going to apply my midnight powder to the that area under our eyes to brighten it up, and then apply some more white eyeshadow and kind of dragging it down a little bit more to give it that faded look, diffused look, yeah, because that's the look I kind of aiming for. So at this point I'm just setting the foundation, and then I'm going to apply some not so dramatic lashes, and then apply mascara to my lower lashes so that they can stand out above the white, yeah, you know. And then after that I'm going to do the lips now, and for the lips I'm just applying some white to the outer section. It's kind of like a ombre lip, a reverse ombre, yeah, that word. And it's going to be red in the center and white on the outside, keeping with the theme of red and white for the geisha look.
Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.